Welcome to this current affair topic where we are taking Gilgit-Baltistan issue. So it was a illegally occupied Kashmir part from the Pakistan side. Now, as a reaction of India's revocation of Article 370 from the Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan has reacted by contesting. The Supreme Court has allowed for contesting election in the Gilgit-Baltistan region. So it is an illegally occupied regions of the Jammu and Kashmir. Like Pakistan called it as a POK, that is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. And in this region only the economic corridor is going to be built, where China's, with the help of China's led initiative, that economic corridor, and where we just now Russia has also declared that this country Russia is also going to invest in that economic corridor development. So the Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has declared that the part of the contested Kashmir region will be provisionally become a full province of Pakistan. So it is just a reaction of revocation of that removing of Article 370 from the Jammu and Kashmir. So what is the background for it? So the Pakistan has administered the area now as Gilgit-Baltistan since shortly after the birth of 1947. So when it was divided, when the country was divided, at that time only they administered the area that known as that Gilgit-Baltistan. So India asserts it as an integral part of it. So India declared that this is just an illegally occupied Kashmir. Similarly, like Pakistan declared our Jammu and Kashmir regions had the illegally occupied Kashmir by India. So in the same manner, this is what the Gilgit-Baltistan region is just an illegally occupied regions of the Pakistan, which belongs to India. So the Pakistan Supreme Court just now, that is in the news, so the Pakistan Supreme Court allowed Islamabad to amend a 2018 administrative order to conduct general election in that region. So now general elections can be conducted. So if election is going to happen, it means what? That part will belongs to that region, that symbolizes that people are in the favor of their country. So that's why this step has been taken by their side, and it is just a reaction of that Article 370 revocation from the Jammu and Kashmir. So the Gilgit-Baltistan order of 2018 provided for administrative changes, including authorizing the Prime Minister of Pakistan to legislate an order of any subjects, like any area of subjects, like on whatever order, like financial order or development order, whatever they can want, they can implement on those regions. So India is opposing those things. India is against that build-ups and initiatives that is going to take place. So the Pakistan has announced holding elections for the Legislative Assembly for the Gilgit-Baltistan, and the constitutional amendment is necessary for any changes to be made. So if finalized, it would make Gilgit-Baltistan as a fifth province. So just remember, if this amendment has been done, then it will make that Gilgit-Baltistan as a fifth province, and it will be, just remember, called that the fifth province of the Pakistan will be as a Gilgit-Baltistan. So what is the India's reaction? So New Delhi has condemned this announcement, saying it would bring material changes to the part of Indian territory you are doing, not in Pakistan territory, you are making changes in the Indian territory. So they have condemned this announcement, and India firmly rejects the attempt by Pakistan to bring it material changes to be a part of Indian territory, which is under Islamabad's illegal and forcibly occupied, and asks Pakistan to immediately vacate that areas. So this is just like formal initiatives taken by the Indian government and replying in that way. It is not like that any military actions will be taken, but this formally India condemned this action, and it is telling that just vacate those regions. Similarly, as we can see that economic corridor development is going on those places with the help of China, and further the investment has been done by the Russia too. Okay, so this is what with this current affair topic. I hope you have liked this video. Please like and subscribe. your subscription is a form of payment for me. It is a new channel, so I need your support. If you have any doubts or if you want any on-demand video lecture, please feel free to ping on my Twitter handle. The link is given in the description. Okay, thank you.